Count the hats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What color are the hats? White, green, red, purple, black, orange, pink, yellow, blue, brown. Where is Little Cat? Little cat, little cat. Are you in the white hat? Little cat, little cat. Are you in the orange hat? Little cat, little cat. Are you in the purple hat? Little cat, little cat. Are you in the blue hat? Little cat, little cat. Are you in the brown hat? Little cat, little cat. Are you in the red hat? Little cat, little cat. Are you in the yellow hat? Little cat, little cat. Are you in the green hat? How many hats are left? 1, 2. Which one is Little Cat hiding behind? Black or pink? Which one should we pick? Little cat, are you in the pink hat? Wait, who was in the black hat? there was a famine in the land, and the only food that was not destroyed by drought was the fruit of a certain large tree. As that fruit grew ripe, all the jungle council gathered around. Now this was a magic tree, and the fruit would only drop when someone said the name of the tree out loud. The animals realized with dismay that not one of them could remember the name of the tree. They decided to send someone to the king, who lived on the other side of the jungle, for the king would know the name of the magical tree. So they sent one of their fastest animals off to see the king, the rabbit. The rabbit was quick. The rabbit was speedy. The rabbit ran all the way to the other side of the jungle, and he bowed before the king. "Oh, great king, what is the name of the magical tree in the jungle?" And the king replied, "The name of the tree is Uwungelema." The rabbit thanked the king and ran back to his friends. He ran quickety, hoppity, skippity. But on his way back, Rabbit got distracted by the Hop-Hop twins, who only wanted to gossip about the jungle council. Then he ran into Soda Rabbit and Cinnamon Roll. They had snacks. Softy and Buddy wanted Rabbit to join them as they read a story under a tree. When Rabbit finally arrived back to the jungle council, he could not exactly remember the name of the tree. Uwunga-hoo-hoo? Uwunga watermelon? No fruit dropped, and the animals had to send someone else to get the name of the tree. Antelope was next. He was swift. He was fast. He could surely get back before he forgot the word. When he got to the other side of the jungle, he bowed before the king. "Oh, great king, what is the name of the magical tree in the jungle?" The king replied, "The name of the tree is Uwungelema." The antelope thanked the king and ran back to his friends. But on the way back, he ran into Cheer Bear. "Give me a U! Give me a W! Give me another U! Give me an N! Give me a G! Give me an E! Give me an L! Give me another E! Give me an M! Give me an A! What does that spell?" "I don't know, I have to go," said Antelope. Then he saw Army Bear, who was trying to be encouraging but sounded rather rude. "Move those hooves, soldier!" Antelope kept going, and as he moved, he tripped over Hamster. The surprise made him forget the name, and when he arrived at the jungle council, he said, "Uwunga wiener schnitzel? Uwunga underwear?" But nothing happened. The animals were hungry and desperate. If their two fastest runners could not bring back the name of the tree, who could? "I will try." It was Sloth. "I don't think we can wait that long," said the council. "You will have to," said Sloth. He set off on his journey, which lasted 2 days and 2 nights. When he finally arrived, he bowed before the king. "Oh, great king, what is the name of the magical tree in the jungle?" And the king replied, "The name of the tree is Uwungelema." Sloth asked again, "Please, king, tell me again what is the name of the magical tree in the jungle?" And the king replied, "The name of the tree is Uwungelema." Sloth asked one more time, "Please tell me the name one last time of the name of the magical tree in the jungle." And the king replied, "The name of the tree is Uwungelema." All the way back, Sloth repeated the name of the tree, Uwungelema, 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 Uwungelema. A bee came and stung him right on the nose, but he kept saying the name, Uwungelema, 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 Uwungelema. A branch fell on his head, but he kept saying, Uwungelema, Uwungelema, Uwungelema. Even a dog came to bark at him. Yep! But he kept on going, and when he finally reached the tree and the jungle council, he said the name of the magical tree in the jungle. The name of the tree is Uwungelema. And right away, the fruits of the tree dropped down one by one to the hungry animals, as there was enough fruit to keep them all happy through the rest of the famine, thanks to Sloth.